Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So, what is your name?
My name is Namdev Bisht, and you can call me Namdev.
Okay, Namdev, we'll be talking about clothes. So, are clothes important to you?
Yes, definitely clothes are important for everyone. I feel if you want to look civilized, you have to be wearing clothes.
Okay. So, what kind of clothes do you usually wear?
Usually, since the past year, as we know, we have been in the home. So yes, I've been wearing comfortable clothes, be it pajamas and t-shirts.
Okay, so do you ever wear the traditional clothes of your country?
Yes, our country has a number of festivals, like a huge number. So, like in Diwali and Bhaiya Dooj, be it Rakhi, we wear traditional clothes that is kurta and pajama in our case.
Okay. So, where do you usually buy your clothes?
We buy it from normal shopping centers, whether be it any malls or like sectors, the markets we have.
Okay. Have you ever worn a uniform?
Yes, in my school, I have worn a uniform, and if we call a uniform we have to wear a uniform in a school. We are not following that Western culture where you can go to schools in your casual wear. So yes, I have worn uniform for most of my life.
Okay. Do most people in your country follow fashion?
Fashion in my country has not been a big part, but yes, I feel from the past few years, past few decades, I must say, people have been into fashion a lot and have been following fashion and taking it seriously.
Okay. So, do you often use a computer?
Yes, I often use a computer.
Okay, so how do you usually get online?
Usually get online in my social media handles. I use Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter to tweet anything regarding anything, any political thing. Yes, I am quite social, I must say.
So, do you prefer desktop or laptops?
I prefer laptops because they are portable and I'm the type of guy I am. I move from place to place and from one room to another, which is not so convenient while using a desktop.
Okay, so what do you use your computer for?
I use my computer for mainly research purposes, making PowerPoints which are required by the school, or sometimes even gaming.
Okay. So, do you think it is important to learn how to use a computer?
Yes, in the modern world, it is very important to learn how to use a computer, as most of the tasks we are performing these days are to be done on computer only. And if we talk about the current circumstances, treat because of the COVID-19, yes, everything is digitalized, and we have to. It's a need of the hour. We have to use the computer. We can't use any other alternative for this.
Okay. So, that's the end of part 1, and now we will begin with the part 2.
Okay.
So, this is your note, and you will have 1 minute to prepare.
जरा सेवा कम है ये बढ़िया हाथ गरम मेरी खासियत बेचारा
So, Namdil, that's a 1 minute. Now you may speak.
Yes, if I talk about me getting lost, it's quite a funny incident. Well, funny as of now I say, at that time I was scared. So the incident happened like 10 to 12 years back when I was like 8 years old. It took place in Ludhiana. I remember the name of the mall was Vishal Megamart, and I was just roaming here and there. I went there with my family. My mom was shopping something, some clothes, I remember. And as you know, kids are so fascinated about toys. So I went to the toy section alone by myself. And going there was an easy part, but coming out of there was a bit true struggle for me. So I was looking at the toys, freely enjoying myself. Then after few minutes, I remember that, oh damn, I'm lost. I don't know where my mom is, where my dad is, where my brother is. I'm just roaming alone in this corridor, and which happened to be a big mall, Vishal Megamart, and I was so irritated by myself that what was going in my mind to go alone to this playing area. And yeah, then finally what a student not a student, what every children would do. I just sat there crying for like 2 minutes, and then I realized that this won't help me. So I tried to shout once, but that was of no use, obviously. Then I started going here and there. I found someone. He asked me, why are you crying? And I said, I lost my mom and dad, can you help me find them? He said, just go and stand there, you will see them. That was like a midpoint or something. So I just went there and started looking. That was like a elevated platform, so it was clear to see my parents. So yes, that was quite an experience for me.
Okay, Namdev, that's the end of part 2, and now we'll begin with some questions for part 3. So, why do people like visiting new places?
People like visiting new places to discover, I feel, to know the culture, to look at the places, maybe just for enjoyment. But yes, that's one point. People visit new places.
So, what kind of challenges do they face?
If you're visiting new places in your local town, there are not much challenges as you know everything about it. But yes, if you talk about going to a different region, yes, you will face many challenges, whether be it the language barrier or the monetary balances.
Okay, so, what kind of thing should they know about before visiting a place?
Yes, it should be the language, and more about the people, like how are they, how welcoming they are, how you can, and mainly the tourist spots where you can, and have a plan basically. You should not just go to a city without any pre-planning. You should make an itinerary first. You should have an itinerary. Maybe go with a package with from a destination planner. That would be very helpful for a tourist going to a place for the first time.
Okay, do you think map reading skill is important?
Map reading skill is important, but I feel that nowadays people use Google Maps. So reading that is not a big deal. I feel like you don't have to learn something like that. First of all, the Google has an AI which directs you to your location, giving the basic directions. So yes, it is important, but I don't think it is a need for someone.
Do you think some people are good at map reading than others?
Definitely, some like it comes from experience, from how long you have been doing this thing, reading maps. Like if I talk about my father, yes, he's definitely a good map reader. But if I talk about my younger brother, no, he won't have an idea what to do with a map. For him, it's just like a picture, and he doesn't know what's happening.
Okay, so why do some people like traveling to different places?
People like traveling to places for relaxation, for a getaway, to enjoy with family, and there can be many reasons, whether be it a business trip or a normal family vacation.
Okay, so should people do travel planning before the trip?
Yes, it's very important. The planning is the most important part. You can't just go to a place randomly and expect that you'll get the best out of it. So you have to pre-plan, obviously, from a person who is an expert.
Okay, so that's the end of part 3. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.